Hi, welcome back to Mechanic Garage. I've made some progress. I've not been filming because I needed to just get on with it, and we're back on the Skoda. At last, after 3 years of it being in bits, it's nearly done. 3 years of changing things, upgrading things, bolting things on, changing dashboards, interiors, engine, suspension, stereo. This rear corner, the bad 90s repair that was rotten across here, it's been the bane of my life. So we're now at a point where everything is all zinc primed, well through primered on. I've adjusted everything so everything fits. The boot lid, boot lid at the back, but the bonnet never fitted down this side. Now that will pull in slightly when it's bolted up, but that's half the size it was. It's a bit straighter along the back, and this side is ever so slightly different, but I can always tweak it a little bit more if need be. Important thing is this is smaller and that line's straight. It wasn't before because it only had 2 self-tappers there, and it was about 3 mil, 4 mil further this way. So, because the old wing was held on with strips of mastic, which look like they are, yeah, there you are. It was held on with this, which is literally bonded. There was no welding anywhere. It was 2 self-tappers down here, 2 at the top, and several wings and prayers holding the rest together. So I've drilled through to spot weld this in the proper place, all the way around. It's in the right place. It's a bit surface rusty, but everything is ready to go. Filler neck is almost in the centre. I can tweak the bracket slightly because it's a little bit closer to this side, but it fits the door, it fits the boot lid. I can make this fit. So the next job, without setting my garage on fire this time, will be to get this back corner welded in place, get the rear wing back on in the right place, welded where it should be, where it hasn't been in the whole time I've had it, the 5 years I've owned the car. That will then give me an exact hole to fit the repair panel that I've got. It's not the easiest way of doing it. It would have been easier fitting an entire rear wing. I probably should have done that, but then it was a glass out job, splitting the pillar or not. I'd much rather go for the more difficult, awkward way, because that's how I roll. If there's an easy way, I'm generally going to go for the awkward way. So I'm not filming it all. I say it's just making progress, getting on with it. I might stick a bit of time lapse on for the metal gluing, just as a bit more interested than me talking. But committed to doing it now. Got to have it done. It's now what, in the middle of May. I've got a show for the third week of June. The Volvo was supposed to be done by the middle of May. It isn't done, but I'm hoping if I get this done, get the welding done, it won't be as much of an issue to get the welding done. I've just a massive mental block against welding and putting it off. The weather hasn't helped. Every weekend it's been blowing a gale, and you're trying to weld through a hole in the floor and it's blown all your gas away. So at least it's in the garage, cleaned up, zinc primed, weld through primer everywhere, and hopefully today I can get all this back in and get the panel trimmed up to suit. I've got to make some edges to mount it onto. Beyond that, it's a case of fettling, fixing, and then welding. Once it's done, get it all back in, get it painted, a couple more tweaks to sort out, and be close to an MOT. And it's been too long, way too long coming. So fingers crossed, we're going to make some progress. Right, that's welded on. It's solid. A bit more cleaning up to do down here. That area is not brilliant, but it's a bit nasty because the body, this part is being bent over lower to this sits on top of it, so it's taking a bit of getting through to. There's a gap, but it's actually welded up to the edge of this filler, so I'm going to grind all that out and start again. It's spot welded all the way around the wheel arch. I think I missed that one a little bit. I'll have another go at that. All across the bottom edge there, and at this top up here. Welding is not my favourite thing. So all I need to do now, which I'm probably going to do off camera because it'd be a ball ache, is make this panel fit here. I'm hoping that when I trimmed this up, doing it, clamping it open, cutting through both, so it's actually right, and I can work out how much to cut off the top. I don't want to go much further up the car, so if I can cut it along there, maybe through both panels, and then it'll fit inside, then it's just a case of welding up the whole seam all the way around and making it look really really good. Yeah, okay, the magic of filler afterwards I think will be, but it's going to be infinitely stronger. The back end's lined up properly, the door shuts, and it's actually a decent gap. Down the bottom edge is slightly different. I mean, this area is slightly lower than the door, so, but that's probably the door out of shape, because I don't know how bad this accident was at the back corner, but it hasn't bent anything apart from the rear wing, and the door was repainted, so I'm guessing it pushed it through. But that was, God knows, sometime mid-90s, mid-late 90s. But it's progress, and one step nearer getting this thing back on the road. So probably just leave this for now, just chuck this video out, and then the next bit will be doing the main bit, because yeah, it's not going to be a job I want to be with the pressure of a camera on me, because it's going to be a bit sweary anyway. So yeah, that'll do for this one. It's only a quick progress of what's actually going on. So, oh, the other thing, nothing massive, it's just a little thing, but I managed to get some proper genuine washer jets for it, for the Volvo. I have also been Yugoing briefly this morning, which was just a case of hooking on exhaust rubbers. Turned out to not be just a case of, where are they? Let's have a look. There they are, you can see the hook on them. It lifts that way higher, so now I need to put the handbrake cable back underneath it, which is where it was before, but I didn't know those hooks were with. When I got under the car, I found one in the shadows, still there. I need to align it slightly better than it is because it's touching in the middle, so the downpipe's touching the floor at the minute. But I needed to get on with the welding, so I only briefly messed with this one. But we're getting there. I know I keep saying it every video, we're getting there, we're getting there. But once I get into it, it's all right. It's the getting me started to do it, that's the problem. So, right, that'll do. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video where hopefully we'll be filling that big hole.